China's economic strength makes it a superpower alongside the United States, but it still faces many significant challenges typical of a developing economy. So, what is it? An advanced or developing economy? Well, let's find out. Welcome to Is China an Advanced Economy? Advanced economies are often defined as countries with high incomes, a diverse export base, integrated financial industries in the global financial system, a well-educated workforce, and a stable political system. They are sometimes referred to as first world countries, but that wording has had a mixed use over the decades, so we won't be using that. On the other hand, developing economies depend on advanced economies to support them in establishing capital-intensive industries throughout their country. This can be in the form of auto manufacturers arriving in Mexico or the former Soviet states, or massive Australian mining companies moving into Bolivia and Chile wanting to get in on local mining activity. But let's dive a little deeper into the main characteristics present in advanced economies. High incomes. Advanced economies have higher salaries since its workers either work in higher value industries like technology or pharmaceuticals, or have modern equipment that allow 5 people to do the agricultural work that is being done by 50 people in a developing economy. A diverse export base. The export base of advanced economies usually includes a wide range of products and services that help drive economic growth, create jobs, and facilitate international trade with greater levels of stability. A fall in the price of coffee beans is not going to throw an advanced economy into a recession. Human development. Here we're talking about a high standard of living, child welfare, healthcare, education, improved living conditions, and quality of life. An advanced economy can provide these services of good quality to most of a population. Infrastructure and innovation. An advanced economy is characterized by well-developed infrastructure, including roads, railways, airports, and telecommunication networks, as well as cutting-edge technological advancements. The US and UK dominate in higher educational facilities, Israel in military technology, or the Swiss with transport infrastructure. Very few countries can match. And last but not least, 5. Political stability. Advanced economies tend to have stable political systems that provide a predictable environment for businesses and investors. Predictability allows governments, public institutions, private business, and the general public to make long-term investment plans that generate wealth and often have the effect of improving living standards. But this video is about China, so where does China's economy position itself among these points? Let's take a look. But before we do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. And also comment a pineapple emoji below, it really helps the channel out. Based on what we have analyzed regarding an advanced economy, we can define that China is not one. However, it is classified as a developing economy by the IMF. Let's see why. China's GDP per capita is $13,700 according to the IMF. This is slightly above the global average, but certainly doesn't result in the economy generating a high proportion of high-income salaries. That said, pockets of high-income areas can be found in major cities, but nothing like the level you will find in Sweden or Canada. In terms of exports, China is among the world's leading exporting countries, with a solid base in products such as electrical machinery, textiles, clothing, medical equipment, iron, steel, and many more. In this area, China definitely ticks the box for a diverse export base. In terms of human development, the UN's Human Development Index sees China rank 79th out of 191 countries. It's ranked as a high score, but 79th is nothing to shout about, and would not make the cut for an advanced economy. Turning to infrastructure and innovation, China has invested heavily in infrastructure in recent decades, and often boasts superior infrastructure to many advanced economies. Regarding innovation, according to the Global Innovation Index, the country ranks 11th in 2022, positioning it among the most innovative countries worldwide, so it's a tick for infrastructure and innovation. And finally, political risk. China is a one-party state with limited political freedom. This is a double-edged sword, since it both ensures stability in political goals for the economy, but this can discourage foreign investment. Overall, China is politically stable and would fulfill this requirement. As we can see from this comparative analysis, China has qualities of an advanced economy, but at least for now, when considering the whole of China's economy, it is still a developing economy. Now, it's over to you. Would you say that China is an advanced economy or a developing economy, and why? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and comment that pineapple emoji in the comments below. Otherwise, take care.